So yeah, since we'll be using the connector, then we come to MySQL connector, then the library we added at first, then we need to add it here also. So you click on it here, you open it, so you click on this, yes, you've added it. Then next, so here we need to test the connection, but before testing we need to make sure our XAMPP is running. So I'm using the 3.22 version of the XAMPP, so you can just go online, search for XAMPP, download, you would see it is about some megabyte plus 200 plus. So you start your Apache and then the MySQL, so you minimize that. So my username is root and my password I'm gonna leave it blank. Then you test the connection first. You can see connection succeeded, it has been connected. Then next, after next, then you finish. So you can see it has been connected, so we need to come back here. Oh, there's a mistake here. Database name should be tutorial, then code, then comma, put the comma, then a double quote. Our database username is root, and after the quote a comma. Since we don't have a password, we have to just use this, then we end the statement. But there's something showing here. Okay, we need to import this. So fine, we are good, we have created a class for the database. Now let's just create a simple JFrame to test the connection. So on the default package, click on new, click on JFrame form. Let's name this testing. Let's name this testing, then finish. So let's just create a simple, coming to my palette, let me get the test field. Where is my test field? This is my test field. I need to maximize it to empty, then a button also, and the text, submit. So this is it. So we need to submit this to the database to be sure it has been created. So to create a database, after the XAMPP is running, you can see it is running, then open your browser, your Firefox. Oh, it's there already. Let's just close this one. So you search for local host, then search, you click on my PHP admin, then we need to create a database, and there I said our database is tutorial. So the database has been created. Then we need a table. Let's give our table YouTube. Let's give our table YouTube. Since we're only submitting only an item here, it should be just a column. Then let's name it user. Should be a varchar. Then the length, let's give it 30. Then we save it. So our database has been created, that's YouTube, and then our table is there. Our table has been created. Okay, our database is tutorial, our table is YouTube, and then the field there is just user. so we can minimize that down. Then we go to our JFrame. So you double click on this, then you start decoding. That string SQL equals to double quote, that's insert into YouTube. Insert into YouTube bracket user, and then the value is value just a single. I just want this to be short and straight. Then try and catch also. Catch exception the option pin dot message dialog. So before that, when anytime we create a new frame that needs to be connected to the database, you need to write out this set of items connection. Or let me just copy it. This is all what I said to save time. I don't really like typing much. Ctrl V. Okay, so actually when I click on this there was an error, so the enter just imported all these items. So probably you are typing yours and then just click on it, then you come here. So then the connection name is equals to con equals to, these are Java connect, the method we created there, the class name, and then the method it comes up, then enter. So once this has been done, you come back here, goes on here, you need to import the string, then pst empty is equals to prepare statement SQL statement SQL. So the SQL, then this prepare statement. Okay, con SQL, then pst empty dot set string because it is just a single variable, just one. Then our text box name, I think it should be jtextfield, jtextfield1. Alright, I'm correct. Dot get text, get text. So pst empty that execute, then the message should be j option. Let me just copy this. Message, and then here will be the message data saved, data saved. So I think we are good to go now. Data saved. So let's run this. We're making testing. I'm in class. Voila, it's up. Then let's just try it. This is way forward. Submit. Data saved. You can see the data has been saved. So now let's check our database. You come back to your Firefox here, you click on the YouTube, and you see it has been saved. This is way forward. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and see more of this. Thank you.